I got up at 6. Went over and started, worked on my load and got my load all tarped and strapped down. And what time is it now? 8 o'clock. I mean, that hour and a half to strap down and tarp up and take the other tarps off. Just went through the Border Patrol station, inspection station, whatever they want to call it, here on at mile 29 on I-35 northbound. They don't like it if you have the cameras running, so we turn those off. So we're just going to make our way another 10 miles north here to Encinal. Like I said, take a moment to wipe off, and then like I said, get some ice for a cold drink. So we can take our vitamins this morning and be able to deal with the humidity. Look, fun. Alright, coming into New Brunfelds. Coming into the Pilot. Unfortunately, you gotta go all the way, you're going down the street another 1,000 feet before you can even think about, getting into the Pilot. So you gotta go all the way around the backside. Not exactly a good way to enter, but whatever. But you can exit straight out the front, which is not too bad. So we're gonna get some more ice for our drinks for the day. Alrighty. Now we gotta wait in line for everybody to park. And you see this guy's got a truck problem over here. So we got the wrecker. That makes it a little bit slower. Then we get this Magnum guy to actually park it. We got a whole lot of trucks trying to come in, so we're gonna get over here, out the way, let them get by, then we will put it in a spot here. Yeah, bring it around the flatbed. There it is. Change that to off duty. And gentle bump on the curb. All right. Have neutral, pull the brakes. Change that to off duty. There we go. All right. I have stayed here one time before. I made a delivery here last year sometime. I have to look at my notes. Let's go all the way around the back here. Stayed here one time, I think it was middle of summer last year. So it was pretty hot. Pull on this side of this guy, let him buy a little bit easier. All right. Now there's some pull-throughs up in the front, but you know, we are going to make sure we're always in pretty decent practice for backing up. Like so, we can idle, we can pull into the idle air here for to be super lazy, but you know. Get around this guy. All right. And a little pull up here. Why not? Look at the little mirror there. So there's a Walmart across the street here. And you gotta walk over the bridge. Not too bad right now, but like I said, last year it was like 95, almost 100 degrees. Walked over to the Walmart. But it's okay. Not great, but okay. Turn that off. Hours of service. Off duty. Woohoo! All right.